This is an update about the image formats plugin for Strapi CMS. In the first video, I created an image format that had one step, but this time I want to create one with multiple steps. Lots of steps. Maybe not that many. But for the first step, I'll do a resize. You might remember my original image, example image, is 800 by 600. So let me resize that. Maybe 400 by 300. I'll add one to do a blur. This blur is fairly inexpensive. The Gaussian blur takes quite a while to process, so I'll use that one this time. Let's do a sepia tone. You can see the Gaussian and the sepia taking a while there. And maybe a pixelate. There. So I'll save my new image format called multi with these steps. Just like in the first video, I need to find the file ID of an image that I want to apply this image format to. I'll use the Strapi endpoint for my content type to see a bit of my content in JSON format. This way I can pick out the field that has the file upload. In this case it's called files, and the ID of the file that I want to apply the format to. I'll just copy that. Image Formats plugin provides an endpoint for retrieving the formatted version of the file in question. This new format was called multi, and the ID of the file is that. And before I do that, I want to turn on DevTools and watch how long it takes to load. So 5.6 seconds. That's not going to work if we want to load a bunch of these in a list again. But now, if I load again, I get it in 53 milliseconds. There's a new caching system for the image formats, and if I go back and edit that image format, or if I delete that image format, all of the images that have been formatted this way in the cache will be removed, and the first time I request a new image, it'll be formatted again.